My child, the battles you face in life often begin in your thoughts, what you dwell on, what you believe about yourself, and how you interpret the world around you are deeply influenced by your mind. But today, I come to you with this eternal truth. My word has the power to transform your thoughts. This is not mere encouragement. It is a divine promise. If you allow my voice to shape your mind, you will find peace, clarity, strength, and purpose you never imagined. Come closer, listen now, and let me renew you. I know the war within you. I see the thoughts that plague you at night, the ones you try to silence but cannot. I hear the doubts that whisper that you are not enough, not worthy, not loved. I know the guilt that clings to you like chains and the regrets that play on repeat. But my child, those thoughts are not from me. They are seeds of fear planted by the enemy to keep you bound. I did not create you to live in fear, confusion, or shame. I created you to be free, whole, and renewed by truth. And truth begins with my word. My word is alive. My word is not ink on a page or distant echoes from the past. It is alive, breathing, speaking, and moving with power today. Every word I have spoken carries purpose, healing, and transformation. When you read my word, you are not just reading, you are receiving me. I am the author and finisher of your faith. I am the one who speaks peace into storms, light into darkness, and hope into despair. When my word enters your mind, it begins a holy transformation from within. You are not your thoughts. You are mine. You may think your thoughts define you, but they do not. You are not the sum of your anxieties, temptations, or weaknesses. You are not your fears. You are not your past. You are mine, and I have given you the mind of Christ, a mind that is capable of love, of discernment, of peace, a mind that can reject the lies and embrace the truth. Renew your mind. Daily transformation does not come in a single moment. It is a daily decision, a renewal of the mind by my Spirit. Each day, you must choose which voice you will believe. Will you believe the voice of the accuser who calls you worthless? Or will you believe my voice, which calls you chosen, redeemed, and beloved? My word washes over your mind like living water. It cleanses the toxic patterns. It refreshes your soul. It rewires the pathways that fear once traveled. Take every thought captive. You are not powerless over your mind. I have given you authority to take every thought captive and make it obedient to Christ. When a lie enters, expose it to the light of my word. Say, "This thought does not align with God's truth, so I reject it." Declare, "I have the mind of Christ. I think in line with heaven." My word is your weapon in the battle for your mind. Use it boldly. Speak it daily. Trust it completely. Meditate on my truth. Do not rush through my word as a task to check off. Soak in it. Meditate on it. Let it become part of you, like breath in your lungs. My child, blessed is the one who delights in my word. They are like a tree planted by streams of water, bearing fruit in season. Their leaves do not wither, and whatever they do prospers. This is not poetry. It is my promise. What you feed will grow. Be mindful of what you feed your mind. If you constantly take in negativity, doubt, and fear, that is what will grow. But if you feast on my word, your faith will grow, your peace will grow, your clarity will grow. And soon, your thoughts will reflect my heart. You will begin to see the world through eyes of love and truth. You will begin to think in alignment with heaven, not earth. You will be transformed, not conformed to this world, but renewed by me. When anxiety comes, run to my word. Anxiety may knock at your door, but it does not have to enter. When you feel overwhelmed, run to me, not to distraction, not to escape. Open my word and let it calm your soul. Be still and know that I am God. Cast all your cares on me, for I care for you. Do not be anxious about anything, but in everything, present your requests to me. These are not suggestions, they are weapons. Speak them aloud, declare them in faith. Watch how your atmosphere shifts. Your thought life is sacred. Your thoughts shape your choices. Your choices shape your destiny. That is why I desire to purify your thought life, not to control you, but to free you. When your thoughts are aligned with truth, you walk in confidence. When your mind is stayed on me, you walk in peace. When your identity is grounded in who I say you are, you cannot be shaken. My word will not return void. Every time you speak my word, it goes out with purpose. It breaks chains. It heals hearts. It builds faith. It transforms minds. My word will never return to me empty. It will accomplish what I sent it to do, and I have sent it to transform you. Let my word be the final word. People may speak words of criticism over you. The enemy may whisper words of failure. Your own mind may echo words of self-doubt, but let my word be the final word. When others say, you can't, I say, with me, all things are possible. When shame says, you're dirty, I say, you are washed clean. When fear says, you're alone, I say, I will never leave you. Cling to my word. It is your anchor. Transformation is the fruit of surrender. My child, the transformation you long for begins not in effort, but in surrender. Not by striving, but by sitting in my presence and letting my word do the work. Let go of the thoughts that do not serve you. Release the lies you've agreed with for too long. Open your heart and allow my word to plant new seeds, seeds of life, joy, and victory. This is not behavior modification. It is heart transformation. And it begins when you say, God, renew my mind. Do not wait for the world to affirm you. Speak my word over yourself. Declare my truth over your future, your family, your faith. Say it even when you don't feel it. Say it until you believe it. Speak life, not death. Speak healing, not fear. Speak abundance, not lack. My word on your lips is like a sword in your hand. Wield it boldly. I am speaking. Will you listen? I am speaking to you now, not just through this message, but through every page of Scripture. I am whispering to your spirit even now. I have more for you. Come deeper. Will you listen? Will you make room in your day to hear my voice? Will you open my word, not out of duty, but out of desire to be with me? I promise you, if you draw near, I will draw near to you. If you listen, I will speak. If you surrender, I will transform. Your mind is a garden. Let me tend it. Think of your mind as a garden. What you plant will grow. Weeds of worry, pride, or bitterness can take root if left unchecked. But if you allow me to be the gardener of your mind, I will pull out the weeds. I will plant seeds of peace, hope, and wisdom. And in due season, your mind will become a place of flourishing. Let my word dwell in you richly. My beloved, let my word dwell in you richly, not shallowly or occasionally. Let it saturate your thoughts, your decisions, your responses. Let it be the first voice you hear, and the final voice you trust. When the world is loud, let my voice be louder. When the path is unclear, let my truth be your compass. This is your invitation. Today, I invite you to begin again, to take your thoughts captive, to renew your mind with my word, to exchange lies for truth, to stop rehearsing fear and start declaring faith. My word is here for you, not as a religious duty, but as a lifeline. Come, open it, read it, speak it, and watch your life begin to transform from the inside out. My child, I am not distant or silent. I am speaking, and my word is not powerless. It is living and active, sharper than any sword. Let it dwell in your heart. Let it shape your thoughts. Let it guide your life. Because when my word fills your mind, nothing can shake you. And when my truth takes root, you will know who you truly are, transformed, free, victorious, mine.